In this video, I want to show you how to perform a printhead alignment on your HP SmartTank, no matter which model you have. Most HP SmartTank printers don't have any display over here that will allow you to do a printhead alignment from a menu. We need to use the HP Smart app to enable this. So I will assume that you already have the HP app on your phone and you already have connected the printer to the app. Open this app, and usually once you open it, the first thing you see is your printer. Well, tap on it, go down this menu, and we need to select Diagnosis, Print Quality Tools. Tap on that. And you're going to find the Align Printheads. Tap on it. Then make sure that you have some paper inserted in your HP printer and tap on Print Alignment Page. Great, this is how it should look. And on your phone, you're going to get a green check mark, press done. Now we need to insert this in the scanner. So open the scan lid, remove whatever was over here. You're going to notice that on your scanner, one of the corners will have this logo over here. It's, I don't know, like a corner. The other ones don't have this logo. This means that we need to align the paper with this corner. So take it. Place it facing down with this side, okay, this, I don't know how to call it because there's no letters, there's nothing, but the instruction needs to be at the bottom. Place it this way and make sure that the corner of the paper touches the corner that has this logo. Then close the scan lid and you can use the panel of the printer, okay, to do this, or you can use the app by clicking on Scan Alignment Page. And now wait. The printer will scan the page and will also align the printheads according to what it sees over there. So let's wait a few seconds. It doesn't last more than a minute. And at the end, you're going to get a green check mark saying Align Printheads, Alignment Successful, Recycle or Discard the alignment page. So you can go ahead and remove this. And this is about it. The printheads of your HP SmartTank printer have been successfully aligned. Leave a comment down below if you found this useful. Subscribe, like, and if you have, if you need to purchase any ink for your HP SmartTank or any paper, check my Amazon links down below. Every time you go through them, it doesn't cost you more, but you support my channel since Amazon pays me a very small commission every time. See you in the next video.